Welcome to ERP.net. In this video, we'll dive deep into social groups, your centralized digital space for organizing people, business tools, and information into meaningful, close-knit groups. Social Groups is the team collaboration app in ERP.net that helps you unite the efforts and strengths of your team members. Using groups empowers you to learn, create, share, and achieve more together. You'll find your groups in the section called My, which unites personal productivity with team collaboration. You can learn more about it in our ERP.net Express Overview video. Your Social Groups app provides an interactive collection of tools for faster and results-driving collaboration. Share valuable information. Instantly schedule events and meetings that are automatically spread across your team. Delegate tasks to colleagues and track their completion in real time. We will show you how you can do all of this and much more with your groups in Express. When you access the application, you'll see that it is split into two sections. On the left are the groups you currently participate in, and on the right are the tabs for the selected group, with the respective information they contain. Each group is unique as it has its own name, data, and participants. We can perform a couple of actions on our groups by clicking the three-dot button to the right of a group's name. This expands a drop-down menu, allowing you to edit the group members if you are an admin, rename the group, mute its notifications, or even leave it. For example, if you want to change the name of this particular group, you can use the Rename Group button, provide the new name, and click OK to save it. Since groups consist of multiple people from your organization, you'll be notified of some of the actions they take that are specifically relevant to you. For example, when a group you take part in has new messages from other members, its color will change and a small dot will appear in front of it. This indicates there are messages you haven't read. To stop receiving group chat notifications, you can always opt out by clicking the Mute Group button. This will keep you part of the conversation without pinging you for every new message in the chat. Taking things a step further, you may completely disassociate yourself from a group if it no longer brings you any value. The Leave Group button will not only cease notifications but also remove previous access to the group's features and participants. If you happen to be part of multiple groups, you can use the search bar at the top of the group's list to find the group that you need right now. Clicking on it will take you to its internal resources. Each group consists of 5 tabs. The chat is where you can easily communicate with your colleagues, tag someone to notify them when you need their attention, as well as send various images and other attachments for the entire group to see. The group chat offers well-known features and options. Just like on social media, you can react or reply to messages by others using the respective buttons underneath each message. Even if you make a mistake in your own message, the chat gives you the option to edit or delete it after sending it. Apart from texting, you can reach a specific team member by hovering your mouse over their profile picture. This will trigger a pop-up for sending a quick message, allowing you to start a private chat. You can also contact the person via email or open and review their profile page. The group calendar is your team's virtual event and activity manager. Its functions are identical to the personal calendar found under the My section. The calendar in a group, however, enables members to view and schedule events and meetings that concern the whole group. Such events and meetings are automatically shared with all teammates who are a part of the group and kept visible to them. The group calendar facilitates collaboration, allowing each team member to involve specific coworkers from the group in the events they create by making them responsible or adding them as participants. To keep you well informed about your meetings and appointments, every group event you are added to will automatically appear in your own personal calendar as well. You can learn more about it in our dedicated deep dive video. The To-Do tab works similarly to the My To-Do application, allowing you to create and edit your own tasks, set reminders and due dates, and mark the ones that are done as completed. All of this is taken beyond the personal level and adapted to a collaborative environment, allowing you to assign tasks to other team members or receive assignments yourself. If you delegate a task to a coworker or they involve you with a task here, it will also show up in your own personal To-Do app. Explore our dedicated deep dive video to learn more about it. The Files tab gives you access to all the files and resources uploaded by members of the group, either through the chat or directly from here. You can see the name and type of each file, the date it was uploaded on, as well as the name of the person who attached it. You have the option to download files to your device or even delete them if you have the necessary permission level granted. The final tab, Members, displays all participants of the current group along with the roles they are assigned. If you want to add a new member, just click the button at the top right corner, start typing a name or an email, and select the matching user from the drop-down menu. Adding multiple participants at once is also supported. So, if you'd like to add another one, simply repeat the same steps. As part of this process, you need to determine what kind of experience the new participants will get out of your group. You may want some people to have a broader range of permissions, while others to be restricted in terms of the actions they can perform. For example, apart from being able to freely interact with all tabs of the group and perform all kinds of actions in them, admins have extensive options to add new participants, remove current ones, and change everyone's permission levels. The member role excludes the ability to manage participants, but leaves the rest of the group experience identical to that of an admin. Members can still chat, create, and edit meetings and tasks, as well as download, upload, or delete file attachments. The observer role, on the other hand, grants participants fewer permissions. It is suitable for users who do not need to extensively interact with the group, but still remain part of it by viewing its resources and even using some of them. Observers can only react to chat messages, see meetings in the calendar, complete tasks assigned to them, download the files they need, and preview the group's participants. Any actions outside of this range are preserved for members and admins. Once you select the appropriate role, click OK to finish adding the new group members. You can always change their permission level from the Settings button. Creating a social group is easy. Simply click the plus button at the top right of the Groups section. To add the people you want to include, you once again only need to start typing their names and select them from the search results. After adding at least one team member, you can give the new group a name. To finish the process, write your first message and hit the blue arrow. Your group will be immediately added with you as an admin. Social groups are not confined to a single space. If you access your personal dashboard, you can see that they can be optionally and conveniently integrated as a panel, remaining readily available at any time. All the features you need to reach fast and easy are here, in one place, surrounded by other integral My components. You can change the order of this Social Groups app by opening the customization options of the dashboard and dragging its panel to the place you find most suitable for it. Team collaboration in Express enables your company to build the perfect team for every purpose, boost creativity and performance, and maximize your resource usage efficiency. Break down information silos, streamline communication throughout your teams, and achieve more with less with Social Groups in ERP.net. This concludes our deep dive into groups. Thank you for watching.